Hi guys, welcome to Syska Grooming Club. I'm Valerie and that's my model Hiten. So today I'm going to do a new style on him called long and loose. To achieve this style, you need to shampoo condition your hair nice and clean. If the hair dries out, you simply take a water spray, spray the hair down. Make sure the hair is nice and wet. This is our new Syska 1500 watt hair dryer. It has two variable speed controls. It has hot and cold feature. It also has an ionic feature that gives the hair shine. Right now we're going to use it on one. Simply push the hair up. The Syska hair dryer is very light and easy to use. The hair dryer also has a cooling button which you just press to set the style in. Once you're done, take a little bit of product, you set the hair in place. And we're good to go. Syska.